Hola chicos! So today we have some additional words to add to the tecnología vocabulario that you have already presented in your book, and some of it will go along with some of the things that you also have in your book as well. So when we think about tecnología, of course we're thinking about computadoras, we're thinking about la red, o a veces no se dice el internet. There are lots of different pieces, of course, to tecnología, so, we'll be thinking about all of those different pieces. Of course, we didn't always have tecnología. It's a relatively new development. No, we had initially we had calculadoras, ¿no? La radio. Tocadiscos, teléfonos. Now, when we use teléfonos, we hacer llamadas. And you may remember whenever we first started doing Spanish together that you said, me llamo, and then your name, right? And I said at that moment that the word llamar means to call, right? So when we're talking about making telephone calls, we will also use the word llamar. So nowadays we have a bunch of different types of technologies, right? We have computadoras, we have tableta, we have all sorts of different types of apparatuses for, using technology with. We used to, of course, just have iPads. Some of these words are a little bit old, right? Like tocadiscos, disco compacto. Those are words that we used to use, right, whenever we would have CDs, but of course we don't have them anymore. Nos entretenemos viendo televisión, ¿no? So we have el control remoto, ¿no? Cambiar el canal. Antes we had, satélite, and we had cable, no? But now we have servicio streaming. No, podemos tomar una foto. Remember when we learned how to say tomar una foto? We have a cámara, no? And we can tomar videos, no? With a video camera. En la oficina, we have so many different things that we could use, right? We have la impresora, no? For imprimiendo. We have computadora portátil, no? Which is like a laptop. And we use all these different things. A lot of them we use now, right? Particularly, we use el internet, no? Internet is like the most important thing that we use nowadays. En la oficina, in our work, maybe we might use correo electrónico, and that's a very important way of communicating now that we, in school you use your correo electrónico, no, to mandar correos or mandar email. Of course, the most important thing that we have in our days now, no, is el celular. In Spain, they call el celular el móvil, no? Or there are other places where they might, call it móvil. And, we can hacer llamadas, right, with our móvil. We can mandar mensajes o mandar textos. We can, be on the redes sociales, no? That's what we call social media, right? Redes sociales. El internet has a lot of different things that we could do with it, right? We have the arroba, right, which is what we use for our correo electrónico. We can archivar información, right, which means to kind of save it and put it away. We can guardar, no, which is just the part to save. We can borrar, which is to delete it. We can descargar, right, which means to download it. We can cargar things now, or colgar, which means to post. There are all sorts of different things that we can do, on the internet. And we have all sorts of things that we still can do online. Here are some other examples. Okay. En español, no, in Spanish, whenever we turn on and turn off things, right, we prender and apagar, no? So we prender, right, to turn on, and we apagar, no, when we turn it off. Our technology can funcionar, no, meaning it can work, or it can be descompuesto, no, which means to be broken, right? So those are just a few examples of some of the different things that we can do with technology. So there you go, right? So it's just a little additional information. You have already in your book, right, some pieces, but this can help you to know a little bit more about things that you can do, with tecnología. And I hope it helped.